Goodbye tingling hands and weak legs. 8 collagen snacks you'll love. Say goodbye to tingling hands and shaky legs. Here are 8 collagen-rich snacks you'll want to add to your day. If your hands keep going numb, your legs feel wobbly, or your joints just don't move the way they used to, chances are your body is running low on something important. And no, it's not some pricey pill or fancy treatment. It really comes down to what you're eating. Most people hear the word collagen and only think of creams or beauty products. But once you're past 60, collagen matters a whole lot more. It's the glue that keeps your joints steady, helps your nerves fire the right way, and lets you move without nagging pain holding you back. In today's video, I'll share 8 tasty, collagen-packed snacks that can ease tingling in your hands, restore strength in your legs, and help you feel more like yourself again. They're easy to make, delicious, and backed by research to support your joints, nerves, and energy as you age. 1. Dark chocolate midnight clusters. Let's start with something that almost sounds too good to be true: chocolate. But not just any kind. I'm talking about rich, real, dark chocolate, the kind loaded with powerful plant compounds that actually help your body heal from the inside out. Dr. William Li, a world-renowned researcher who has spent decades studying how food can repair the body, says dark chocolate with at least 80% cacao is one of his top picks for boosting collagen and supporting your body's natural repair systems. So what makes it special? Dark chocolate is packed with flavonols and proanthocyanidins. They are big terms, but what they do is simple. They help your body make new stem cells, lower inflammation, and even protect your DNA from damage. That means healthier skin, stronger joints, and a better chance of staying mobile and independent as the years go by. Here's the catch: not all chocolate counts. Candy bars filled with sugar won't do your body any favors. What you want is the darkest chocolate you can find. Ideally 70 to 85% cacao or higher, with very little sugar. If you can get one labeled single origin, even better, because it's usually purer and higher in the good stuff your body craves. And once you've got the right kind, turning it into a collagen-boosting snack couldn't be easier. Gently melt about 1 ounce of dark chocolate, stir in a handful of roasted almonds, and add a teaspoon of dried goji berries. Drop little spoonfuls onto a plate or into small molds. Then chill until firm. What you'll end up with is a chewy, rich bite that does more than taste great. The chocolate gives you antioxidants to fight damage. The almonds bring amino acids that help your body make collagen. And the goji berries add both a hint of sweetness and a boost of vitamin C to help your body use all those nutrients. This treat doesn't just feel indulgent. It's quietly working behind the scenes to ease pain, protect joints, and make you feel more like yourself again. Now, that's a treat worth enjoying every single day. 2. Gelatin fruit nibbles. Most of us think of gelatin as just wiggly desserts. But it deserves way more credit. This simple ingredient can do wonders for your joints, skin, and nerves, especially as you get older. That's because gelatin is basically collagen that's already broken down into a form your body can easily absorb and use right away. It's loaded with key amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the exact building blocks your body needs to create fresh collagen and repair tissues. And the science is pretty clear. In one study, people who took gelatin before exercise had 37% less joint pain over time. That's not a small change. That's the kind of difference that makes standing, walking, and moving around feel so much easier. The best part is how simple it is to turn gelatin into a tasty, healing snack. Start with 1 cup of unsweetened juice. Cherry or pomegranate are great choices because they're high in antioxidants. Warm it gently on the stove. But don't let it boil. Stir in 2 tablespoons of plain powdered gelatin until it dissolves completely. Then, if you'd like, Add a few chopped nuts for healthy fats and some fresh berries for extra vitamin C, which helps your body make the most of that collagen. Pour the mixture into small molds or a shallow dish and let it chill in the fridge until firm. What you'll have is a soft, easy-to-chew treat that goes down light, but works hard inside your body, supporting your joints, easing stiffness, and giving your tissues exactly what they need to stay flexible and strong. For anyone over 60, dealing with achy knees, sore hips, or that slow, nagging weakness that sneaks up with age, this simple gelatin bite can feel like a game changer. And maybe the best part? You made it yourself, with care, purpose, and benefits you can feel every day. 3. Chicken bone broth bites. Bone broth might sound like just another kind of soup, but it's one of the most powerful natural remedies you can give your body. Especially if you're over 60 and dealing with stiff joints, tingling hands, or legs that don't feel as steady as they used to. This warm, soothing broth is loaded with collagen, plus amino acids like glycine and proline, which play a huge role in rebuilding connective tissue, repairing cartilage, and even helping nerves heal. When you slowly simmer chicken bones for hours, the collagen breaks down into a form your body can soak up with ease. And this isn't just comfort food. It's exactly the kind of nourishment your body needs to bounce back. The good news is, you don't need anything fancy to make it part of your daily routine. Just save leftover chicken bones from a roast or even some wings. Toss them in a big pot with water, a splash of vinegar, and chopped veggies like onion, celery, and carrot. Let it simmer low and slow for about 8 hours. When it's ready, strain the broth and pour it into jars. As it cools, it will turn into a soft gel. That's your homemade collagen booster. Scoop out a portion, warm it gently, and add a little lemon juice and fresh parsley for extra flavor and nutrients. Even half a cup a day can help your joints feel smoother. Ease that creaky, cracking sensation, and make everyday movements feel easier. And if you've been struggling with weak legs or pins and needles in your hands, this broth gives your body the support it needs to start repairing the tissues that control movement and sensation. It's gentle, it's nourishing, and it comes straight from your own kitchen. More importantly, this is a daily act of self-care, one small bowl at a time, to help you feel more mobile, more comfortable, and more like yourself again. 4. Cantaloupe mint bites. When it comes to building collagen, most people don't realize how important vitamin C really is. Without enough of it, your body simply can't make collagen. That's why adding something as simple as cantaloupe to your daily routine can make a real difference. Especially if you're over 60 and dealing with stiff joints or unsteady legs. Cantaloupe isn't just a refreshing summer fruit. It's packed with vitamin C, and just 1 cup gives you nearly 2/3 of what your body needs in a single day. That one bowl of melon is helping kickstart your collagen-making process, which can ease that tight, achy feeling in your knees, hips, or even your fingers. The best part? This snack is easy, quick, and enjoyable. Start with sweet, juicy cantaloupe and cut it into bite-sized cubes, easy to chew. Even if your teeth or gums are sensitive, add a squeeze of fresh lime juice for extra flavor and an antioxidant boost. Toss in a few mint leaves for a cooling effect, and sprinkle with chopped pistachios. These little nuts bring healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all of which help calm inflammation and keep your joints moving smoothly. What you get is a bright, refreshing bowl that hydrates, supports your immune system, and gives your body the spark it needs to make more collagen. That means less stiffness, better flexibility, and more comfort when you move. And for anyone who feels like they've lost a bit of pep in their step, a simple dish of cantaloupe with mint and lime can be a sweet first step toward feeling lighter, stronger, and more energized again. Sometimes the smallest changes are the ones that bring the biggest rewards. 5. Tomato caprese salad snack. Sometimes the most powerful foods are the ones we overlook. Take the tomato. It's sitting in most kitchens. Yet few realize how collagen-friendly it really is. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and a strong antioxidant called lycopene. Vitamin C helps your body build new collagen, while lycopene protects the collagen you already have. The result? Stronger joints, firmer skin, and less inflammation over time. Here's something interesting. When tomatoes are cooked or slightly warmed, your body can absorb even more lycopene. That's why a fresh tomato snack paired with healthy fats turns into a little collagen powerhouse. One of the easiest, most enjoyable ways to do this is with a caprese-style salad. It's light, refreshing, and great for your joints and nerves, especially if you've noticed stiffness or tingling in your hands or legs. Just slice a ripe, juicy tomato and layer it with fresh mozzarella. Or if you'd prefer a dairy-free option, try cubes of avocado. Drizzle on a little extra virgin olive oil, which helps your body soak up those antioxidants. And add a few fresh basil leaves for both flavor and digestion support. Let it sit for a few minutes so everything blends together. What you'll have is a snack that feels like something from a nice cafe. But inside your body, it's doing real repair work. It hydrates, delivers anti-inflammatory compounds, and gives your tissues what they need to rebuild over time. Make it a regular habit and you may notice less joint soreness, better skin elasticity, and an overall feeling of support from the inside out. A small act of care, one delicious plate at a time, can help you keep moving with more comfort and ease. 6. Guava Power Yogurt Bowl. Guava might not be the first fruit you think of for boosting collagen. But it should be, especially if you're over 60 and dealing with weak legs, tingling hands, or stiff joints. Guava is one of the richest sources of vitamin C you can find. Just 100 grams gives you over 200 milligrams of vitamin C, several times more than an orange. That's a big deal, because vitamin C isn't just helpful. It's essential. Your body literally can't make collagen without it. If you're not getting enough, you may notice dull aches in your knees, less strength in your legs, or tingling in your fingers. Those can be signs your body is asking for more support. That's where guava comes in. And when you pair guava with protein-rich foods, like Greek yogurt, you're giving your body both the nutrients to produce collagen and the fuel to rebuild and feel stronger again. Making a guava yogurt bowl is simple, but it packs a real punch. Just chop up some fresh ripe guava and stir it into plain Greek yogurt. Add a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness, a squeeze of lime for an extra vitamin C boost, and top it with chopped almonds or walnuts. Those nuts bring minerals and healthy fats that support healing even more. The result? A refreshing, easy-to-digest bowl that's loaded with antioxidants, amino acids, and collagen-friendly nutrients. It fights inflammation, repairs tissue, and keeps your body flexible. And the best part? It tastes wonderful and is gentle on digestion. Each spoonful is like giving yourself a little care package, not just for now, but for the long run. Healing doesn't have to be complicated. It just needs to be consistent. And it can start with something as simple as guava and yogurt. 7. Kiwi Crunch Snack. Just 2 or 3 kiwis a day can flood your body with vitamin C, an essential nutrient your body must have to make collagen. Collagen is what keeps your skin firm, your joints strong, and your nerves healthy. That means eating kiwi regularly can help ease tingling in your hands and fight the weakness you may feel in your legs as you age. This snack couldn't be simpler. Slice up a fresh kiwi and sprinkle a few toasted almonds or walnuts on top. The nuts give you a satisfying crunch along with healthy fats that your body uses to repair and maintain tissues. For a little extra kick, add a pinch of chili flakes or a dash of sea salt. Not only does it taste great, but it can also help boost circulation and support nerve health. What makes this snack so special is that it does more than just help your body make collagen. It also supports digestion, strengthens your immune system, and helps your nerves function more smoothly. These benefits are especially valuable as we get older, when our bodies need all the extra support they can get to stay strong and comfortable. Making Kiwi Crunch a daily habit is an easy, delicious way to keep those frustrating symptoms from slowing you down, and to help you enjoy life with more energy and ease. 8. Pineapple Nut Bites. Pineapple has something unique that makes it stand out, an enzyme called bromelain. Don't worry about the fancy name. What it really does is fight inflammation deep in your body. And since inflammation is a big reason joints and nerves get stiff or painful as we age, bromelain is a real helper. When you add pineapple's natural vitamin C to the mix, you've got a powerful combo that helps your body repair itself faster and more effectively. Together, these nutrients support both your joints and your nerves, making movement easier and easing that uncomfortable stiffness. And the best part? This snack is as simple as it is tasty. Just cut fresh pineapple into chunks and mix them with crunchy macadamia nuts or cashews. The nuts give you healthy fats and protein, exactly what your body uses to rebuild tissues and keep your energy steady. Want to take it up a notch? Sprinkle on a little cinnamon and fresh mint. Cinnamon can help balance blood sugar and calm inflammation, while mint soothes your digestion. Enjoy these pineapple nut bites regularly, and you may start to notice less stiffness, more energy, and a stronger, healthier feeling overall. It's a snack that doesn't just taste good. It supports your body in real lasting ways. A small, sweet step toward moving better, feeling better, and living better after 60. So there you have it. 8 powerful snacks that can help your body rebuild collagen naturally. Dark chocolate clusters, gelatin fruit nibbles, bone broth bites, cantaloupe mint cubes, tomato mozzarella stacks, guava yogurt bowls, kiwi crunch bites, and pineapple nut chunks. Each one is packed with the nutrients your body truly needs, especially if you're over 60 and want to feel stronger, move with ease, and finally say goodbye to that nagging tingling and weakness. Even adding just one of these snacks into your daily routine can give your body the boost it needs to start repairing itself and thriving again. If you'd like to keep learning simple, natural ways to feel better every day, make sure you don't miss the next video here on the channel. And if you found this one helpful, please tap that like button. It really helps us out. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you'll never miss future tips. I'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.